We'll guide you through how to add side blur in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many CapCut users want to adjust video ratio and add a blurred background, but do not know where to find these settings. Beginners especially need clear guidance. First, open CapCut on your desktop to begin editing your video project. Once the application is ready, click the Create New Project button to start a fresh workspace. After entering the project, import the clip you want to use by selecting it from your files. When the clip appears in the Media section, insert it into the project by pressing the plus sign so it moves to the timeline. Next, look for the ratio option on the player screen and click on it to adjust the display format. From the available options, choose the 16:9 ratio to match a standard widescreen format. After setting the ratio, press on the clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected for editing. Then, move to the right side menu and scroll down until you find the Canvas section. Once you find it, check the button to turn the Canvas feature on. After enabling it, click the arrow next to it to extend the available settings. From there, tap the box option and choose the blur effect to create a soft background behind your video. This helps fill empty spaces and improves the visual appearance. After choosing the blur effect, take a moment to recheck everything before you close the project. Make sure the clip is positioned correctly, the ratio is set properly, and the blur effect looks as expected. Next, you can play the video to preview your edits and ensure everything runs smoothly. To check it in full screen, press the button located next to the ratio button on the player. This allows you to see how the final result will look when viewed normally. Watch the video carefully and confirm that all adjustments are correct. If something does not look right, go back and fix it before finishing. Once you are satisfied with the final result, you can export your project. Following these steps will help you create a properly formatted video with a clean background using CapCut on your desktop efficiently and effectively every time.